In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers under $350 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done. Let's dive into the video. Number 1. KINGROON KLP1 3D Printer. The KINGROON new KLP1 3D printer, originating from mainland China and under the brand name KINGROON, is a CE-certified FDM printer with a maximum print size of 210 by 210 by 210 millimeters. It operates with a precision range of 0.05 to 0.3 millimeters and supports a printing speed of 200-350 millimeters per second, with a maximum printing speed of 500 millimeters per second. Powered by a 300-watt supply and compatible with a voltage range of 110 to 220 volts, the new KLP1 features auto-leveling capability and supports multiple languages including English, Korean, Russian, German, Spanish, French, Japanese, and more. It utilizes a 0.4mm nozzle diameter and a consumables diameter of 1.75mm, compatible with filaments such as PLS, wood, TPU, PEG, PA, and others. The printer interfaces via USB and operates on operating systems like Windows 10, 7, Mac, and Linux. It is compatible with slicing software like Cura, Slice, and Host, supporting file formats such as STL, OBJ, and G-code. The KINGROON new KLP1 offers users a versatile and efficient 3D printing experience with its advanced features and capabilities. Number 2. Sovol SV07 Plus 3D Printer. The Sovol SV07 Plus 3D printer, manufactured in mainland China under the brand name Sovol, is a CE-certified FDM printer with a maximum print size of 300 by 300 by 350 millimeters. It supports a slice thickness range of 0.1 to 0.4 millimeters and operates with a precision of 0.1 millimeters. The printer features a maximum printing speed of 500 millimeter and a color print speed of 250 millimeters per second, with a maximum working speed of 500 millimeters per second. Powered by a Meanwell 600 watts 24-volt power supply and compatible with a voltage range of 110 to 220 volts, the SV7 Plus supports auto-leveling and offers a maximum nozzle temperature of 300 degrees and bed temperature of 100 degrees. It has a 0.4mm nozzle diameter and a consumables diameter of 1.75 millimeters, compatible with filaments such as PLA, ABS, PTG, TPU, and wood. The printer interfaces via USB and operates on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. It is compatible with slicing software like Cura, Simplify 3D, and Sovol Cura, supporting file formats in G-code. The Sovol SV07 Plus provides users with a high-speed and precise 3D printing experience, making it a versatile and efficient tool for various printing needs. Number 3. Sovol SV4 IDEX 3D Printer. The Sovol 3D printer, specifically the model with the features described, is a high-performance FDM printer originating from mainland China under the Sovol brand. It boasts a maximum print size of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters and a precision of 0.1 millimeters, offering a wide range of compatible filaments such as PLA, TPU, ABS, PETG, and more. The printer supports a slice thickness of 0.1.4 millimeters and operates with a suggested printing speed of 60 millimeters per second, with a maximum printing speed of 120 millimeters per second. It features auto-leveling, a 0.4mm nozzle diameter, and a nozzle temperature of up to 206 degrees Celsius, along with a heated bed temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. The Sovol printer interfaces via USB, supports various slicing software including Cura, Simplify 3D, and Prusa Slicer, and accepts file formats like STL, OBJ, and AMF. It is equipped with an independent dual direct drive metal extruder, IDEX extrusion technology, a 32-bit TMC 2209 silent board, a magnetic flexible plate build plate, and a runout sensor. The printer also includes features like belt tensioner, support for 2 materials simultaneously, and a build plate dimension of 310mm by 320mm. With a net weight of 15 kilograms, the printer offers a layer resolution of 0.1 millimeters and positioning accuracy of XY, .mil, Z.01 millimeters. It operates within an ambient temperature range of 8 to 40 degrees Celsius and supports connectivity via SD card or data cable. The Sovol 3D printer provides advanced features and capabilities for users seeking high-quality 3D printing results. Number 4. Flashforge Creator Pro 2 3D Printer. The Flashforge Creator Max 2 is a versatile 3D printer originating from mainland China under the Flashforge brand. It features a maximum print size of 248 by 150 mm and a precision of 0.2 mm. The printer supports a slice thickness of 0.1-0.4 mm and offers a printing speed range of 10 to 100 mm per second with a maximum printing speed of 100 mm per second. It operates with a power supply of 100 to 200 volt AC, 4763 Hz, and has a heated bed temperature of 204 degrees Celsius. The Creator Max 2 supports multiple languages including Chinese, English, French, Japanese, and Korean, and interfaces via SD card. It is compatible with filaments such as PLA, Pearl PLA ABE HIPS with a consumables diameter of 1.75 mm. The printer works with slicing software FlashPrint and accepts file formats like 3MF, STL, FPP, BMP, GMG, and JPEG. Equipped with 2 extruders, the Flashforge Creator Max 2 utilizes FDM molding technology and a 0.4 mm nozzle diameter. Operating on Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems, the printer is CE certified and offers users a reliable and efficient 3D printing experience for various applications. Number 5. Newest IDEX 3D printer. The XTLW Climber 8A is a feature-rich 3D printer manufactured by XTLW in mainland China. It operates on a 24-volt 360-watt power supply and supports a maximum print size of 2.5 by 235 mm with a precision of 0.1 mm. The printer offers a slice thickness of 0.1 to 0.4 mm and a maximum printing speed of 100 mm per the maximum working speed of 200 mm per second. It features a nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm and supports various filaments including PLA, PPG, TPU, ABS, AEPS, and wood with a consumables diameter of 1.75 mm. The Climber 8A is equipped with a heated bed reaching temperatures up to 110 degrees Celsius and a nozzle temperature of 260 degrees Celsius. It interfaces via SD card and is compatible with slicing software Cura, accepting file formats such as STL, OBD 3MF, and JPG. Operating on Windows, Mac, and Linux systems, the printer supports multiple languages including English, Chinese, and Russian. The XTLW Climber 8A utilizes FDM molding technology and features a dual extruder type known as IDEX, independent dual extruder. With CE certification and color print speeds of up to 100 mm per second, this 3D printer offers users a versatile and efficient printing experience for a wide range of applications.